So today we're going to look at a really nice, relaxing, restorative pose. You can wear your socks, your comfy clothes. All you need is a wall or a door. And if you feel like your neck and head is a little bit tight and you want some support, then grab a blanket or a pillow. So there are two options. The one we're going to do today is legs up the wall. So if you're working or standing all day and everything's pulling down into those poor little feet that get a bit tired, we're going to let gravity do the work for everything to come back down. So if you have tight hamstrings, legs up the wall, which means your legs go up, they're not going to want to go straight because it's going to be too much pressure on those muscles that are bunched up and tight. So a simple way, if your legs are tight, you're going to come backwards and be quite a bit away from the wall. And then as you come up with your legs, you might have them resting onto a ledge or something that you can support yourself with, or feet and heels straight onto the wall. And then it depends on how you're feeling with your legs of how close you get. So the closer you get, the stronger it's going to get on the hamstrings of how tight that is. And if you're happy in your hamstrings or you want to come a little bit closer, an easy way is to sit sideways to your wall or door. This is not ideal with holes through it, but use whatever you've got. It really is whatever you have at home. And then you can kind of wriggle your way in and then your legs can come up. So your legs go straighter up, which can feel really nice, but if it's pulling on your hamstring, this is one of those ones that's restorative and relaxing. You don't want to put it in that position. So just move backwards. If your head is lifted and you're feeling uncomfortable, you need to grab a blanket and support under your head so that your chin can come in towards your throat. And this one is ideal for when you're feeling a bit stressed, overwhelmed, had a really big day, and you can rest here as long as you like. A few minutes or even 10-15 minutes if you've had a big day and you have the time. So get into a comfortable position and then relax. That's all you need to do. Have fun.